TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 100. You get the Nasdaq up 49. S&Ps are up 14.5. Gold contracts down $13, trading at $11.64. You have silver off 16 cents at $16.67 an ounce. Copper is up 6.5 pennies at $2.68 a pound. We got light sweet crude trading at up 43 cents, $52.11 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 14 ticks, 124.25. 30-year bond off a full point, 150.29. King dollar down 411 ticks, trading at 100.455. It failed to hold the 100.600 level, folks. That's going to be a major failure inside the good old dollar, good old king dollar. Euro is trading at $1.07, and the yen is at 114.5. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. This is what you're looking at. Last Wednesday, what we had done, we had given it up on price, but guess what? You had volume up at those highs. That's what it wants to test right now. It'd be beautiful if we could test it today. Right now, we're at 221.16. The high up there is 221.82. We go look at the Dow Industrials, what you have with the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials are at an all-time high, and that was going after the 19,225 area. We're at 19,262. We'll see if we get any juice up here, meaning any volume up here, or do you get light volume, and we give it up on price. The composite, the composite, what you have with the composite, that's up $50. And what I expect you're going to see here, this composite can make a run. We're at 53.06. This can make a run to 53.60. So bottom line, we'll see whether it's today and tomorrow. I expect lighter volume, and that's where the sell is going to come in inside the NDX 100 as well as the NASDAQ composite. The NDX 100 right now up 39. We're trading at the 47.79. This baby can basically get up until 48.48. If you take a look at the 3Qs, what you're looking at is this. The 3Qs are up $1 right now. You're trading at 116.74. We had come down with 39 million shares. Bottom line, this thing can bounce up to about the 118.30. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract is down $13 right now. You're at 11.63. And this baby has been pushing into the lows. The low that it's testing actually right now is the low at 2:30 this morning, at 3:30 this morning. That number to keep your eye on is 1164.30. And the way we're trading into that right now, you're trading into it with dramatically lighter volume. So I expect that's going to hold. You get a lot more support coming right in at the right where we are basically. It's a couple bucks above it. It's 1166.30. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? Guess what, folks? King dollar failed. King dollar is not only lower. Bottom line is that you get some juice down here when it broke the 100.600 mark. So right now you're at the 100.43, and what this sets up, I expect this will be a fight out here. But the bottom line, what this sets up on a longer term basis, this is setting up back into the consolidation. We had started this consolidation in March of 2015. You break topside. Can't hold it. Guess what? Now you're going to go break downtown. I expect 6-7 months will take to get down there, but you're talking about the 91 area inside the dollar. What will that do? That will give the gold contract and the metals room to breathe. And that's why I think this gold contract and the silver contract are in pretty good shape right now. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.